Hi, today I'm going to make pancake rolls with spinach for breakfast. To make pancakes, we will need spinach 50 grams, 1 egg, milk 200 ml, flour 80 grams, sugar 1 tablespoon, a pinch of salt, vegetable oil 1 tablespoon, now let's mix it all up. Let's use a blender to get a homogeneous consistency. Bake the pancakes in a pan. We will have pancakes with a filling that includes cucumbers, cottage cheese, and red fish. Let's cut the cucumbers. We spread the pancake and start filling it with a filling. Put the curd cheese on top. It is better to take the curd cheese softer so that it is easier to apply, otherwise it will tear the pancakes. Spread the chopped cucumbers on top. And don't forget about the red fish. Lightly salted salmon, trout, pink salmon, and tuna can be used as red fish. We roll up the pancake. Cut the roll into pieces. You can serve pancake rolls with spinach for breakfast.